Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can change your email in Canva. So first click on this menu button, then click your avatar and here go to settings. Then first option, your account, and here you have email address. Just click on edit and change it. You have to enter the code from your email, but I won't be doing that. So after you enter the code, you have to write a new email, and that's all. So thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.